If you think you need more motivation, you're wrong. What you really need is discipline. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to build it, even if you're lazy. Motivation is an emotion. It comes and goes. But successful people take action no matter how they feel. The golden rule: never rely on motivation. In the morning, you may feel tired and want to skip your tasks. But laziness is not a reason to stop. It's a test of your commitment. Your feelings don't define your actions. Your decisions do. If starting feels overwhelming, tell yourself, I'll do this for just 2 minutes. Just put on your workout shoes if you don't feel like exercising. Just write the first sentence if you can't focus on work. Starting is the hardest part. Once you begin, your brain will take over. Highly disciplined people don't act because they feel like it. They act because they have rules. For example, I work out 5 days a week no matter what. Or, I work on my goals for 1 hour daily, regardless of my mood. This builds habits that transform your life. If you've watched this far, you're already ready for change. Comment below. What's one habit you'll train every day? This is your first step to true discipline,